In this video, we will take a look how to make a text field or field in general required. So first of all, you can see here, even if it's empty, I can click add to cart and it will be added to the cart without any text. Now we want to prevent customers to go to the cart without entering any input or text. So I will show you how to do it. First of all, we go to our app dashboard. We can click the edit pencil of the respective field. It can be options or a text field, whatever. And you can scroll all the way down to the advanced options. And here you will see the section which is called require. We can make this sheet required and can also change the error message here. If we click the save button, after we see saved successfully, can return to the previous step. You can refresh the page and you can now see there's a little indication that this is now required. And if I want to click add to cart, I will do so. We will now see that first of all, it's required to enter something here. Whenever I will enter something like hello, click add to cart again, it will then overtake the respective content. Furthermore, if you now also want to take a look how it works with the product options, I will show to you. We will click product options, next. Here we can have various kind of options. Just for your information, the required message will be found here. This is a general message which will be applied for each of these options. So please, you can change here the content, but you can enable it individually for each field separately. For example, let's just make the random pick this one, and we can here also go and make this field required. And we can do this with each one individually by going step by step through all of them.